Welcome to the CryptoNest. So I don't do often Ethereum, but honestly, I think now it's time to do one. So we're on the daily chart. As you can see, RSI, it's going higher. Today level it's 56. Yeah, momentum in MACD is still positive. Let me take a bigger screen now. So we had multiple 1, 2, 1, 2. So we had the bigger one here, the one in blue. We had the corrective movement in the 2. Now I can count another 1, 2 and another 1, 2. The latest one, it's the one in yellow. Now either is doing something like Bitcoin, but more bullish, and it can do like something more, this is the one W X Y, and we can go even lower, no problem. But for the moment, I don't see that option because price action is still into the normal corrective movement for a normal wave 2. If I take the impulsive movement here that started on the 10th of March, we did a wave 1 in yellow. This was 5 wave down into a diagonal for a wave A. We had the wave B here, and now we're having this wave C. As you can see here, the yellow Fibonacci retracement, we did touch band on, the 0.786, 1,532 and 92 cents. And now we are kind of trying maybe to, change the momentum, change the trend maybe. As you can see today, we are fighting. This is the MA 50, and then just to be sure, MA 50. So as you can see today, it did act as a resistance. Let's see if we can actually break this resistance, and you maybe eventually use it as a support and build up from there. If I do some micro counting, okay, before I do that, so once again, just want to emphasize on, let me take the brush now, where are you? Okay, so this is our impulsive movement. Now we have the A, here's the B, and now we're doing the C. As you can see, we are into this area, so which is good. And also now, let me take out this. And now also, if I take the Fibonacci retracement, actually no, it's the extension. So I took the length of the wave A, I added to the wave B, and then the 1-to-1 ratio for the wave C, as you can see, it really stands here at 1,507.07. So we almost reached that one previously. So there are many things that are converging on, maybe this correction should be done. Now, can you go lower? It can. We can even go exceptionally to the 0.886. Wouldn't be great, but we can do. For sure, once again, we cannot go below the beginning of the impulsive movement. So I'm going to put it here. So the invalidation point for this more bullish count is going to be 1,373. And actually, I want to take out now this 1.2 because it's just mixing up. So I'm going to put the C on this 1-to-1 ratio. So we know this is the 1-to-1 ratio for the wave A to the wave C. Okay, now I am going to pull out the 1-hour chart. And then let's see what we have here. So now it depends, right? We are having very nice impulsive movement. Once again, this is micro counting, so let's not jump to conclusion. This could be a one. I'm not even attempting to try to decode, what would have been. We have 5 waves, just general like that. Because sometimes, you don't, a lot of time I don't waste my time. This is micro counting. Sometimes it doesn't even make sense. So I'm going to say that, let me take the brush again. So this is the wave 1 and maybe this is the wave 2, and actually it does work because we went almost to the 0.786, so that's excellent, right? Now I'm going to make a projection. What would be the price that the wave 3 should reach if this is the count? So now let's go for wave 3. All right. So once again, we can see that wave 3 should go around 1789. So that would be this area here. So that's great. Now we have our reference. Just wanna change the label side so it's easier like that. So yeah, I'm going to leave it here, right? So this is the 1, this is the 2, and now I want to see something impulsive. This is kind of not sure. The thing I don't want to see, it's yeah, honestly, I don't want to see something like that. And then maybe we do something like that. So it would be another diagonal, so that would be not as bullish. But if we can indeed have a very nice impulsive movement, up to now it's looking good, guys. So let's see if we can manage to have that impulsive movement, then but for sure now the 1 hour has to rest a little bit, because as you can see it's oversold. How long can it do that? Can it prepare itself to the higher levels? I don't know. Well, for sure it can still continue on the 4 hours. We are touching the oversold, so we still have some fuel there, momentum. It's looking great. So once again, now just to compare, right? And on the daily, well, we have plenty of room to go higher, so that would be amazing. Once again, we are touching the MA50. We could even start to break this downtrend. So now, can I say, I'm surprised I don't have already a trend here. So from here, yeah, so you see, today we are kind of managing to break that. Let's see, well, for sure tomorrow is going to be a big day for Ethereum. If we can go in higher, it would be great, and maybe sit back on the MA50. It would be amazing. But after that, it's going to be weekend, right? So we can rest, go maybe on the side, fill up again for the 1 hour chart. The RSI can, go back lower to a, a good level, so they can continue the fly to the up and right level. All right, so this is pretty much all for Ethereum for today. Less than 10-minute video, so that's good. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.